Hello and welcome back to another episode of I Can't Leave Shit Alone. Touareg, Winch, Touareg. That's it. That's the video. Thanks for watching. On a serious note, from my last video I uploaded, we had a little bit of trouble off-road. We took a wrong turn, got hung up pretty bad. Didn't have recovery gear because we didn't think that we were going to find any crazy difficult trails, but we did. So, with that being said, I did a little damage that I didn't show you guys in that video. So the front bumper I basically ripped off completely, as you can see. And I figured what better time than now to utilize that space right there for a big old winch. So, I actually got this brand new in the box Harbor Freight Badlands winch. That guy. It's 12,000 pounds. It's wireless. Pretty sick, top of the line, big boy. We're gonna put it on the Touareg. The stars honestly kind of aligned. I found that winch at an estate sale. Bought it for more than half of what it retails for. Shout out to Daniel for that. I know you'll probably watch this. Thank you, dude. I've got the Eurowise winch mount. I had them ship it to me raw. Normally they would powder coat it, but they had the raw versions in stock. And I really didn't want to wait 3 weeks for the powder coating to be done. So I just bought some Harbor Freight spray paint, and I'm going to throw it on there because you're not going to be able to see it anyway, so whatever. But in this video, for sure going to start putting the winch on. So I'll take the bumper off, show you what all that entails, get the winch wired, mounted, maybe working, and maybe put the front end back together, but we'll see. If that goes smooth, I may go ahead and install my Eurowise light bar, and I've got some ditch lights that go up and mount kind of underneath the hood and then shine over the hood. So, like I said, this might be one video for the winch, another video for the lights. We'll see how it goes. Status update, I'm actually getting something done. Go me. That took all of 3 minutes because the bumper was held on by one screw. So don't let me fool you like that was some hard work or something. But bumper's off. While I've got it off, I'm going to fix the grill. The grill's barely hanging in there for dear life. It's actually missing the bottom valance. All in all, not too bad. But supposedly this winch mount replaces the bumper crash bar, and then the winch goes there, bumper goes back on. I'll have to cut and trim some of this, which that's already broken apparently. That really shouldn't be too difficult. So stay tuned. Alright, look at that, another update. Here's the OEM crash bar. That was interesting to get off. These horseshoes are actually the radiator mounts. So there's like a clip that goes on behind it that I had to disconnect the intercoolers, reach behind them, and get the clip from behind. That was kind of weird. I have the Eurowise. I can't talk. Boy, I'm out of shape. I literally haven't done anything and I'm winded. There's the Eurowise winch mount getting ready to go on. There will be some trimming involved, so I may use power tools. Yay, power tools. Either way, we're rocking and rolling. This isn't bad. I'm having fun. So, spoke that one into existence. Just tried to mount the winch mount to the truck, and it's power tool time, or air tool, same thing. There's really no template or instructions on where to cut. I'm sure there is, but I'm just kind of playing this one by ear. Really, I could just kind of unbolt all this stuff, but it kind of acts as like a shroud for airflow for all of the 5,000 oil coolers, transmission coolers, power steering coolers, condenser, radiator, blah, blah, blah. So, I'm just going to start cutting shit, man. I'll be real. trimming that piece, and I told you I wasn't going to take it off because it was like a shroud. Blah, 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 blah. That side was already broken, so I just took it off. Sue me. If I make a video saying that my shit overheated and I'm stranded on the side of the road, I give you all permission to laugh at me. So, sounds like a fair trade deal to me. Anywho, we're rocking and rolling, man. Now begins the fun. I gotta lift this thing up, put some bolts in her, and see where things go. Alright, bye. Oh, that's on there. Next step is I gotta get rid of this bracket. So, more power tools. We're gonna cut that bad boy off of there to make room for the winch. Not too bad, guys. I know you can't see me, but I promise I'm wearing PPE. So just trust me, bro. That I was totally wearing PPE. Source, trust me, bro. Be gone. Now we have room for Winch. Check him out. Winch, go there now. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Okay, so I started to run a little short on time. I had to take the winch off, redo some electrical connections, find washers. Long story short, time got away from me, and I didn't record as much as I wanted to because I was then in a hurry because it's already 9 p.m. And I'd like to get home soon, but it's on. It's powered. The only thing I got left to do is put the bumper on. So let me show you a quick update. So you all know me by now. I don't really care for how-to videos. If you've learned anything from this, great. If not, that wasn't the point. So get over it. So where we're at, winch is mounted. Again, it is powered. I've got the lines running from here up through this little airbox hole. This particular model only has one airbox, so I've got an open hole here, so I went through there. I then used the factory jump start locations as power and ground, so I've got a ground running from here, so you can actually just unscrew that and then rescrew it over top of the connection for the winch. And on this one, this is the positive terminal for the jump start. The screw is actually threaded, so you can kind of see it on this one. I could have run a screw in here and just screwed it into that, but that's basically what I did with this one. That way I can still utilize this jump connection point. I've got this stud in here to put the jumper cables over top of this stud. So there's your power wire, there's your ground wire, here's your cutoff switch. So when you're not using the winch, you can turn it off. So we'll go ahead and turn it on. I do have the wireless model, so all I have to do is turn on the remote. Remote's on. May not look like it, but she is working. Gotta hold some tension on it to pull it out. Got winch out, winch in. And before I catch some shit, I know this is steel cable on a fair lead that should be used with synthetic rope. I'm gonna swap this out with synthetic rope later, so shut your mouth. But it's there, it's working. I think this is mission accomplished. So I've put my bumper back together. I cut out a hole for the fair lead. It's not perfect, but it was already broken in a couple places, so I just kind of made do with what I have. The bumper's getting ready to go on. Winch job is done. Just like I suspected, I'm not going to put the light bar on yet. Again, it's 9 p.m. It's been a long day. I'm ready to go home, so we'll wrap up the winch install and call it a day. Compressor just kicked on, so sorry for the weird audio. Okay, thanks, bye. So that's going to wrap up tonight's project. Like I said, not the longest video ever. It's definitely not a how-to video. But the winch is on. I still have to get my lower valence that I ripped off It's at home. I need to bring it up here so I can put the lower valence on and finalize everything. Really would like to get an emblem if this thing's not too broken. But front end's back on. Winch is in. Your boy is tired. Your boy is going home. It is 9:30 p.m. on a Tuesday night. I'm out of here. Next video, we'll throw some ditch lights on. We'll throw the light bar up on top. And I'll get some content with that as well. But until then, thanks guys. Later.